Today's video is about our recent stay at Disney's Contemporary Resort. We stayed in an Atrium Club theme park view room. The theming in the Contemporary Resort is now Incredibles themed. It is adorable. Just wait till we go inside. So as we come in, you'll notice just little accents of the Incredibles, like that pillow had the mask on it, and then the other pillows have various other characters on it, and I'll go into some detail a little bit later about like the curtains and things like that. But as we go into the room, you can see that it's pretty spacious. It has this couch, which was great. And they left us these cute little buttons. We weren't celebrating anything, so they just had the 50th anniversary for the theme park there for Walt Disney World. It said celebrating 50 years or something like that. It was really cute though. And macaroons were there. Here is the theme park view of the castle if we zoom in. The balcony was pretty spacious. 2 chairs out there and a little table. Let's look at the pillows. Look at this. So cute. Okay, over here on the bedside, there are plugins here and this little table for like your phone or a book or a drink or something there. And does have the little reading lamp here. And as you just saw, there's plenty of room for storage of your suitcases and things under the bed. I love that about Disney hotels. Look at this pillow. And then if we look here, there are more plugs on this side. And the lamps are there as well as that bigger light. If we open the drawer, look at those cute little things inside. It's like just flat on it's like just like a sticker or something on the bottom of that. But it's so cute. The theming is adorable. Okay, let's go this way. Well, first, let me show you this couch a little bit better. It does let out into a sofa bed, and I'll show you that a little bit later, but let's look at this ottoman. If you pull it out, it's definitely good for another seat, or it's pretty firm, so you could even set like a plate or something on it if you want to do that. I don't know about a drink. I probably wouldn't do that. But look at this, guys. There's the 50th anniversary Joffrey's coffee that I love. They had that in the room, so that was awesome. There is a little fridge down here. And if we open up this closet area, here's your safe. Just the standard like room safe. So you can fit your iPad, whatever, in there, or jewelry, whatever. Plenty of storage here, shelves, drawers, plenty of storage area. And the full-length mirror here on the door, so that's really nice. Okay, let's go over to this other closet. I can't wait to show you. This is so cute. Look at this in the back. There are the incredible suits hanging up. That is so adorable. I just love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, there are slippers in here and robes, more drawer space. Up here you have a steamer, hair dryer, and some extra pillow and blanket. So cute. Okay, if we go over this way in our room, this is where the bathroom is. It has the double like barn doors that draw closed. So they just open like that, so easy. And look at this little picture here with baby Jack on it, so cute. There's extra towels in there. And then out here, there's a very spacious shower. It was nice. The theming on the mirror was so cute. There's a makeup mirror. And down here you have some more towels, washcloths, hand towels, trash can. Here's the amenities. Double sink vanity. And then if we look inside the shower, they do have those like full-size products in there for you to use. A rain shower and a handheld shower. And then let's exit out of the bathroom and go over here. And I'm going to take you back over here and show you this, a close-up of this little letter that gives the hours. So if you want to pause it and just see like what, well, this is what was offered while we were there, but the timing probably will stay about the same, but you can see what all they're offering there, or this is what they were offering in June of 2022. So if we go out here on the balcony, you can see the chairs a little bit better, and this little table was really nice, especially at night, to watch the fireworks. And I'm going to show a clip of that a little bit later. But here's the castle. Yay! Okay, and here's the curtains. I did want to show you this. I just thought they were so cute. There's like the shadow figures of all the Incredibles on this part of the curtain here. If we look, it's so cute. The theming is just so adorable. And then even the sheer is themed with their little faces on it. It's so cute. Look at this. All right. I really like the curtains. I don't know why, but I thought they were really cute. And then if we close them up, I wanted to just back up a little bit and show you the curtains all closed up and how it looks. So adorable. Okay, enough about the curtains. Okay, back to the couch though. Here's that little pillow with the mask theming, and I'm going to pull that out so you can give it so you can have a look at it. It is a single bed, and so you just pull it down like this, and then pull this down, unbuckle this little area right here. Sorry for the mess. We had our desserts over there, and there it is, like a single little bed. And then here's a few clips of the fireworks. You can pipe the music in through the TV and hear the music that goes along with the fireworks. So that was a really nice extra perk that goes with that room. Fireworks are always amazing at Disney. Okay, for the next little bit, I'm going to show you some of the things that we had to eat while we were there in the Atrium Club. These were some of the desserts that they were offering. I did not eat all of these. I did try most of them, and they were really good. All the stuff was really good. My daughter is gluten-free, and they did accommodate that. These are some gluten-free options that they gave her, those donuts. And then here's some other options. This was at breakfast time. The avocado toast was amazing. Here's like the hors d'oeuvres time, I think it was. All of the food was really, really good. This is another gluten-free option that they offered for my daughter. You just have to let them know and they'll do that. These are regular desserts and they were so good. And there's that avocado toast again. It's so yummy. Okay, this is another breakfast day that we were there, of course, with the coffee. And this was actually in the Atrium Club, not in our room. And you can see the castle from the Atrium Club as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Bye-bye now.